Hello, this is Robin from cookingandcrafts.com, and I wanted to share the Black Friday deals. Amazon dropped their deals early this year. It is November 20th, 2025, and these are the cooking recommendations I have for some of the Black Friday deals currently available. These are all, of course, subject to change and may sell out. But this is what I recommend. And honestly, we're starting with meat thermometers because this is the whole reason I am making this video. Is I was having a conversation with someone about meat thermometers just the other day and recommending a couple of different options. These two that you're going to see. First one here, I love this one. It has the nice big display here and it has all of the meat temperatures right on the handle and it is under $15. It makes a great stocking stuffer. Very easy for all of the foodies or grillers in your life for something to add on as a great Christmas gift. And then this is the one, this one here is one of several. They do definitely vary in price, and this is the best price I found. You may find one better, but this is a remote wireless Bluetooth meat thermometer. So you can tell it what temperature you want the meat set for, what you're cooking for, and it lets you know on the app on your phone when your meat is done. So really cool. No need to keep checking, opening the oven, peeking inside, testing it. It's all right there for you. I love this. So awesome. Again, under $40 as of right now. There are quite a few other options out there that you can look into. This is a very nice little option and has over 1,100 reviews. So I would think even at this price point, it is awesome. Now, chopping up those vegetables or graters. I love grating my own cheese. I love grating my own carrots. I use a grater all the time and I don't like to buy them pre-done. And this is a great tool to help make it very easy. This does come in a 3-blade or a 5-blade option. The 5-blade is a little bit more expensive, obviously, $31 versus the 3-blade is under $22. This is the least expensive color. The next one here, the black is at $21.99. And oh, and the gray is also with the weird green. So this one is also a lower price, and the others are still under $25. So you can take a look at the different colors, and awesome. I love mine. And this one has a great suction cup that keeps it attached to the counter for you so it doesn't move around while you're shredding. And for all of your slicing needs, and you can shred with this one as well, so you can use this instead of, and this is the food chopper, and you can do so much with this here. And again, a very nice sturdy design, the catch cup here and the slider. I love the design of it. And here, oops, I missed this. This one was a little bit cheaper. Look at that. The white one is the cheapest version at $31.92, and all of them are under $50 here. So again, for the foodie in your life, great gift idea, saves a ton of time. Now, this is more geared for someone that's kind of maybe moving into their first apartment or going off to college, can be a great or starting over. So you have all of these wonderful stackable bowls sets. You have your measuring cups and measuring spoons, whisk, and some basic utensils here. So enough to get you started. I love this. And then if you are only in need of measuring cups, these are measuring cups, measuring spoons. As you can see, there's spoons, not cups. I love these, and I love the fact that it comes with a leveler, so you can really make use of these, and then it comes with the elongated ends. So you can get them into the little spice jars. See, I love it. Thinking ahead. So either which round version and elongated version all in one, so you don't have to think about it. Super easy. Love these. And if you'd like, they do come with the rainbow color, just a few cents more, 50 cents more if you want the rainbow. Or you can do some of the different colors as well. Those are more expensive. All right, moving on. The bread makers. My husband is a bread maker, and so I know he loves his little proofing bowls and all the sets he did, with the proofing knife here and all the stuff that you need and extra blades, how to actually bake it. So this is great for someone that maybe wants to get into baking sourdough, and you can give this with an actual sourdough starter. Be a great gift. And for once they are ready, if they are already into bread making, this is a beautiful, gorgeous pan under $100. You can do the 5-quart. It comes in all these different colors, just gorgeous, and makes a lovely sourdough loaf. So perfect for your sourdough bread, and trust me, they will love it. Cookware. I have two sets to show you here. This is the granite set here, under $50, and has the nice pan protectors that come along with it. Nice little set. And this is a ceramic set that is just over $50. So this is a lovely set as well. And I love the detachable handles here, along with the hand guards and some additional utensils to use. So this is a really awesome set. And again, over 2,000 reviews here with a 4.5-star rating. So highly recommended and a really nice set. I am a sucker for parchment paper. What can I tell you? I use it all the time. Here's all your different sizes. I just stopped on the 12 by 16. Honestly, I'd probably use a 9 by 13 more consistently. But this is so easy because they are just already pre-sized. You pull them out and they're ready to go. You don't have to worry about, maybe waiting until your hands already have stuff on them when you realize you need to put some more parchment paper down. This makes it super easy. And for my air fryer lovers, because I too love my air fryer, these are the liners that I recommend all the time, and they are on almost 50% off for Black Friday deal. So pick up a set if you don't have them. They are awesome. This is the electric lunchbox. And the reason I'm recommending this is there's a lot of people really talking about the Crock-Pot one. Crock-Pot has a lot of brand recognition, and I have nothing against the Crock-Pot version. This is lovely, but it is a 20-ounce size. It does come with a plug-in cord, and the cord is detachable. But this one here, depending on what your work situation is, it is a larger one. So it's a 1.5 liter. So it is larger. It also comes with a car charger. So you can actually plug this in the car or in a wall. So if you have someone that is going out to a, work job site kind of thing, this is a great way, someone who does sales for a living is going out to appointments and has to grab lunch on the go. Now they can have a warm lunch on the go without having to pay ridiculous prices. So very different options, and just wanted to point out that this one is cute and adorable, but this one might be better depending on the circumstances, and both of them have removable parts that are dishwasher safe for cleanup. And then the last couple items here, I have my storage. These are the Rubbermaid storage containers, BPA free, airtight lids. Love, love, love these. And I can never have enough storage containers. They stack nicely in the fridge and they stack nicely in the cupboards. And so I love this set, and it's a great deal at 30% off, under $30. And for my organizers out there, love these because they have the lids on them. I live in the desert, as you may have mentioned, and so it's always dusty. Having something that I can put a lid on and keep things organized, it makes things so much nicer. So these do come in various quantities. So this is the 6-pack. I don't think, yeah, see, the 8-pack is not under the Black Friday deal. I don't think the 4-pack was either. It's just the 6-pack, yeah. So you do have to, the 6-pack. So $26.34 for the 6-pack. Did you see that? The 4-pack is $26.99. So it's, if you actually pay less, you get 2 for free. So great deal, 15% off if you were looking for storage bins. Thank you very much for watching. This has been Robin from cookingandcrafts.com. Oh, and in case I forgot to mention it, all of the links for all of these items are in the description box below. Thank you.